Introduction. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity and readability. One of the fundamental constructs in Python is the for loop, often used with range. These features allow iteration over a sequence such as a list, tuple, dictionary, string, or set. Understanding the for loop and range. The for loop in Python is used for sequential traversal, iterating through each item in a sequence. The range function generates a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1, stopping before a specified number. The for I in range construct. Combining the for loop with range allows for iterating over a sequence of numbers. This is useful when a certain action needs to be repeated a specific number of times. Exploring range further. The range function can take 1 to 3 parameters: start, stop, and step. Start is the first number of the sequence, default is 0. Stop is where the sequence ends, not included in the sequence. Step is the difference between each number in the sequence, default is 1. Common pitfalls and tips. The stop parameter in range is not inclusive. Forgetting that range defaults to starting at 0 is a common mistake. Creating a decreasing sequence using range without specifying a negative step value will result in an error.